Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Mga disqualified, makakapag-apply ulit. Opo, ito po yung laman ng Division Memorandum na ito na may title Submission of Valid Documents of Disqualified Applicants for Expanded Career Progression Reclassification. So ito po ay address para sa lahat ng division office na ito, Ito nakalagay dito na in the interest of fairness and transparency and the implementation of the Education Career Progression Reclassification and per DepEd Order Number 34 Series of 2025 at saka itong amendments and clarifications to DepEd Order Number 24 Series of 2025. Please be informed na yung mga disqualified applicants are given 1 day only to submit valid documents that may rectify their disqualification and make them qualified. So nakalagay dito na it is emphasized, however, that such submission shall not add any points to their previous computed total points. This measure aims to uphold justice and equal opportunity for all existing qualified applicants. So yung submission and evaluation of this document shall be facilitated by the assigned. O nga po, meron nga lang isang araw. Pero doon pa naman sa October 21, 2025 ang pag-submit nitong mga documents, Fair Division Order 519 Series of 2025. Bakit nga ba nakakapag-apply ulit itong mga disqualified na applicants sa division office na ito? Tingnan po natin yung DepEd Order Number 34. Ito po yung DepEd Order Number 34. Nakalagay po dito na during the transition period, teachers who do not fully meet the performance requirements. So yung topic po dito ay yung sa hindi pa na-meet ni teacher yung performance requirements for the position applied for may still be considered for promotion, whether natural vacancy or reclassification, and appointment within or across career stages within the range of 3 salary grades, provided that they meet the QS for the position applied for. This transitory exemption apply under the following conditions. So mga ka-Jesnabs, Bali, parang inaano muna yung performance requirement. Pinopost lang muna, pinapahinto. Importante muna ay yung QS. Bali, ang magiging ngayon ay QS tapos diretso ka na sa iba pang stages, Hindi na muna titingnan yung performance requirements, yung mga number of COI at saka NCOI na may very satisfactory, yung may mga number of outstanding kung ikaw ay master teachers or yung teacher 4, 5 at saka 6, Kung hindi mo yan na-meet ay pwede na, Pwede na po. Sabi dito, consistently high performance teachers who have received an overall IPCRF rating of very satisfactory or higher and obtain consistent, very satisfactory ratings in all PPST indicators but are rendered ineligible to apply for positions in that require outstanding rating in specific PPST objectives. So ito po siguro yung ibang mga position na kailangan may outstanding, like doon sa teacher 5, 6 at saka yung master teachers. Another, kung generally satisfactory performance teacher who receive an overall CRF rating of very satisfactory or higher but obtain satisfactory ratings. Ito yung sinasabi natin na viral na S, yung satisfactory. So dati pag mag-apply ka for teacher 4, tapos meron kang satisfactory na indicator, yun po ay DQ. Pero ngayon, pwede na po, pwede na po siyang mag-apply. Ito pa, letter C. Master teachers affected by indicator conversion. Master teachers who following the conversion of certain PPs indicators from the non-classroom observable to classroom observable indicators for promotion purposes did not meet the performance requirement. So, ganun pa rin, Pag master teachers tapos hindi na-meet yung performance requirement, ay pwede pa rin mag-apply. Another, yung teachers with approved official leave of absence. Kung ikaw ay official leave. Teachers who were in approved official leave, maternity, local, foreign, scholarship, training grant, or other civil service authorized leaves. And those IPCRF from most 3 rating periods prior to the leave of absence show a specific performance deficiency relative to the required performance standards. So, ibig sabihin niya po pwede na yung mga naka-leave, In short, mga ka-Jesnabs, parang binabypass lang muna yung performance requirement. Hindi na ito isinasali na ikaw ay mag-undergo sa proseso nitong reclassification man or promotion. Pero ito ay mangyayari lamang ngayon, during the transitory transition period. 3 taon po itong transition period. So starting nitong February, then the February after 3 years. Pero meron po itong condition, Sabi dito, teachers who fall under the foregoing conditions may be allowed to apply for and be considered for promotion and appointment provided that they commit to improving their performance in the current school year na PMES. Opo, so ito po daw ay talagang dapat na ni teacher, i-provide na talaga i-deliver niya na talagang meron siyang ginawang pagbabago sa kanyang performance ngayong school year. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang Kaya po ganon na okay na yung may S or kulang ka sa outstanding para ikaw ay makapagpa-reclass sa ngayon. Okay guys, good luck po. Good luck. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.